Let T r square to r square be linear transformation such that T10 is 5 3, means image of 10 is 5 3 and image of 01 is 2 1. Then the image of 2 3 is asked. So this is a linear transformation T and defined from r square to r square. And some information or given information we have. Image of 10 is 5 3 and image of 01 is 2 1. This is given information and we are seeking image of 2 3. Some idea or options given to us. So if we go from standard technique, what is the standard technique? First check that given elements, domain elements as 10 or 01, they are forming basis or not, because we know that these two are independent and these are standard element of basis. It doesn't mean we not have other bases. You can see that 10 and 11 is another basis for this set, because these two are independent and number of independent element is dimension is equal to dimension of domain, or vector is domain vector space. This is dimension 2 and this set contain only two Li, means linearly independent vectors, so they will form basis. But as it is a standard or to find matrix representation with respect to standard ordered basis is just simple, and here these images given, so use those one, and the property of as TCV is equal to CTV, this property will help us to find the image of this one. Idea is write domain element in the linear combination of bases of domain and write the image as a linear combination of codomain bases. But here domain or codomain basis is same because of vector space are given same r square. So that will be the basis for domain and codomain. So there is no headache to find linear combination. So we are seeking image of 2 3 and it can be written as a linear combination of 10 plus 3 times 0 1. This is the linear combination, and when we apply t over this element, it means apply t and use this property. So C means scalar will come out or in front of linear transformation. So this is the image of, and we know that value of this one, so 2 times 5 3 plus 3 times 2 1, and this will be 10 comma 6 plus 6 comma 3, and we know that how to add them, 16 comma 9. So correct option is D.